Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today we'll be looking at the CVLIFE Foam Pistol Gun Rack. So the foam pistol gun rack is going to come shipped in this box. And here we are, the user's manual. So you do have 4, 6, and 8 slots. Here are the dimensions, the specifications. So it is foam and polymer. And the weight, it's lightweight. Again, it's 4, 6, and 8. Very easy to install. We'll be doing that in this video just to show you how easy it is. If you have a bunch of pistols like I do and running out of ways to organize it, I know there are some of those little hooks, but I do prefer having it a lot neater, and it also avoids damage to your barrel or even on the sides of your finishes. So we'll get right into that. All right, so just removed everything out of the packaging. You do have these two end pieces here, say CVLIFE. And then these are going to go in between. And then these as well. So there's the sturdy aluminum rod that's going to go through the entire pistol rack. You do have some washers. I'll give you a nice little screwdriver. So what you want to do is first screw in one side. So with the washer, screw into the rod here. And then you're going to want to feed it just like so, kind of sandwich the outside here with one of these pieces and continue until the whole process is done. And once you're at the very end, I'm going to screw that side. All right, so I just put in the washers on all the screws here just to save some time. I'm going to start by screwing in this first one. Work on the next. Find it easier if you just twist the rod instead of trying to twist the screw in. Seems to make it a little easier. All right, so we have those 3 done. Looks like they give you a spare just in case. Going to grab the far edge here, feed it through, just like that. And there we go. So that's our beginning phase. Next thing you want to do, take one of these foam inserts. It's a little weird at first. Just like that. And we're going to want to sandwich it with this piece here. So you're going to, like I said before, you're going to repeat this step over and over until you have all of them lined up. All right. You can already see pistol's going to fit really well there, and I'll demonstrate that once we're all done. putting the pistols in there. This saves a lot of space and organizes the safe. Going in a little easier now. You start to like pick up a groove. Look at that. Yeah, this feels really nice to the touch. So when you're putting in your pistols, you're not going to have any of that slide wear moving it in and out. All right, getting close to the end here. All right, so here, you can see it's gonna be a very tight fit. That's okay, because you want it tight. Through there. All right, so here's the end piece. So we have all the pieces together. You can see the end of the rod there, right there, and right there. So we're gonna have to put a little bit of force, press it down. See if we can feed this through a little bit more. Like so. This is probably the trickiest part of the installation here. Okay. Let's kind of lean into it. Put that in there. And we just need this last one here. Okay, got them all in. Now what I gotta do is just tighten them, and then we'll see what it looks like in the safe. All right, guys, now let's go ahead and put in the completed pistol gun rack in the safe here. So it fits just right. Just have a little bit of room on the sides, but now let's load it up. So this will fit just about any pistol. Of course, in this type of size, won't fit your PCCs, anything like that, but just any of your handguns. And last one right here. Perfect, guys. You can see much more organized than being all thrown in the safe. Easy to grab, take out, and plenty of room. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE Foam Pistol Gun Rack. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.